Hey, welcome back to the Vintage Garage. Today I got a quick little video of my trip from last week to the salvage yard. First time for me being here. This one's about a half hour from me in Rochester, PA. Cool little spot. They got a bunch of stuff. As you can see in the video, a lot of it's pretty well picked over, but they still got some things that are very useful. I went up and found rear turn signal mounts for my DT, my 75 DT project, which I've been hunting for a while. And an oil reservoir cap, so didn't go away empty-handed. Was looking at some of their other stuff. They're kind of strange about you walking around by yourself. They kind of, I guess they're afraid people of stealing stuff from them, which I can understand. So I kind of was rushed a little bit with the video, about 5 minutes worth. I wish I could have stopped and kind of focused in on some of the bikes I saw, but maybe next time. So just wanted to share it. It's pretty cool. Always a fun time at the motorcycle junkyard. So hope you enjoy.
you.